Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's your man Anthony Porter here. You ready to do my own version of MTV Cribs. The only difference is it's not MTV Cribs. We're going to show you the YouTube studio we put together just because we wanted to make sure we had a place to shoot good quality content. You ready to check it out? Let's ride. All right, so what's going on? Look, check this out. This is the setup. We're going to show you the setup. Now, it's a little messy, but when you shoot content, you want to make sure you got everything that properly works properly just for you. All right. So as you can see, we have just a mini setup, mini desk. I'm going to tell you what I like about this desk right here. This is one of those desks. Got it from Amazon. Got this bad boy from Amazon. It's a stand-up desk. So any day that I want to literally stand up, I got this desk here. Hey. You don't always have to sit down. So we're gonna start with the mic arm. This is the X-Tech mic arm. I'm loving this mic arm, as you can see right here. I'm loving the mic arm. Was something new, a bit of an upgrade. We got the Tascam Mixcaster 4. This is my soundboard. So I just recently put this together, which, hey, it is what it is. Plus, we got a Mac Mini. I'm planning on upgrading to the M1 right now. It's the old version, but it still does its job. We got the A10 Mini Pro. Hey, it's my video switcher, so when I want to do my live stream, run through, basically when I want to run through StreamYard or any other streaming platform, I got this right here. We got the Canon EOS Rebel T5. Of course, you see the light. All of this is mounted on a swing arm. And that you see right there is the ClickFunnels Your First Funnel Challenge business. Hey, I funks with Russell and Damon John, all right? So I just wanted to show you that. Oh, can't forget, the TV is Signet HD 24-inch monitor. Helps me do everything that I need to do, helps me see. I just wanted to show you that real quick. So as you can see, we put together a brief overview of the YouTube studio. If you look at the walls was white just maybe 4 days ago. Painted it a dark smoke gray. I wanted to give that dark ambiance so when the lights that I ordered come in, they can automatically set off the mood. The mood is a mellow type of mood. So we just wanted to have it going right there. You see the baby, that's my grandbaby back there. That's Poodle Pop. The other two out in Vegas, that's Charlie Rain and Sincere. And then we have Theory Moon here, the brand new addition to the media family. Hey, this is a beautiful thing. All of them are executive producers for the media group. Generational wealth is being built as we speak because every time a podcast, a product is sold, they gonna get a percentage. I'm building generational wealth so they don't have to work. I'm gonna see y'all when I see y'all though, because I got videos to shoot. I got content to create. It's your man, Anthony Porter, 9 to 5 Kickers, Elite Marketing Mojo. That's the new media group. That's what we do, digital products, man. We up out of here. Peace.